You didn't fall behind. Life just rearranged the race. Divorce, medical bills, a layoff that came out of nowhere on a Tuesday. These aren't character flaws, they are events, and events can be survived. Here is what nobody in personal finance says out loud. Starting over at 50 might actually be the most powerful financial position you have ever been in. I know that sounds wrong. Sit with it for a second. You have something a 22-year-old with a Roth IRA does not have. 30 years of hard decisions. Professional credibility. The kind of income potential that only comes from experienced people would pay serious money for. Today, we are covering 3 specific levers, not 20 tips, not a 30-page plan. 3 levers that you can begin pulling in the next 60 months to rebuild something real. Let's move. You cannot fix what you refuse to look at. Sit down tonight and list everything. Every asset, every debt, every subscription bleeding $40 a month that you forgot you signed up for. Then find the burn rate. The burn rate is the quiet killer of late start recovery. A $200 monthly leak, redirected instead into a compound growth account, is not just $200. Over 15 years, that is the difference between a retirement you dread and one you actually designed. Next, high-interest debt. If you have credit card balances right now, they are charging you somewhere between 22 and 29% annually. That rate eats your recovery alive. The avalanche method. List every debt by interest rate, highest first. Throw every extra dollar at the top rate, while paying minimums on the rest. Work down the list. It is not glamorous. It works. When you turn 50, the IRS changes the rules in your favor. For 2026, the 401k contribution limit for someone under 50 is $24,500. The moment you hit 50, that number jumps to $32,500. That is an $8,000 annual difference the government is literally handing you as a second chance mechanism. If your employer offers a match and you are not hitting at least the threshold to capture that match, you are leaving free compensation on the table. Every paycheck, that stops now. And here is a tool that almost nobody in financial recovery talks about, the HSA, the health savings account. If you are on a high-deductible health plan, the HSA is triple tax advantaged. Contributions go in pre-tax. They grow tax-free. They come out tax-free for qualified medical expenses. This account can quietly become a secondary retirement vehicle that protects you from the #1 wealth-draining event for people in their 60s, an unexpected health crisis. Not downsizing, right-sizing. There is a difference. Downsizing sounds like defeat. Right-sizing is a strategic decision to free up trapped equity and redirect it toward the years that matter most. Moving from a high property tax state to a lower one is not running away. In some cases, it adds 5 to 10 years of financial runway without changing your income by a single dollar. You have 30 years of professional experience. That experience does not disappear when a job disappears. It becomes the foundation for consulting, coaching, or freelance work that pays far more per hour than any gig economy app will ever offer you. The people who rebuild fastest at 50 are not the ones who take 3 jobs. They are the ones who take their deepest skill and sell it directly. If you claim at 62, you get the minimum. Every single year you wait past 62 adds roughly 8% to your monthly benefit. Wait until 70, and the difference is not marginal. It is transformative. You may live another 30 to 40 years after this moment. That is not a poetic observation. That is a planning variable. Being too conservative with your recovery strategy, too early, hiding everything in cash because you are scared, can be just as damaging as losing it all again. Inflation does not care about your anxiety. Some growth allocation remains necessary. Not aggressive, not reckless, but real. And protect your health right now. Not eventually, now. A preventable health crisis in your 60s can eliminate in 2 years what took a decade to rebuild. Preventative care is not optional for people rebuilding in the second half. It is financial strategy. Triage the bleed. Max the catch-up contributions. Leverage what took 30 years to build. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is tonight. And subscribe, because next week we go deeper into exactly how to calculate your specific catch-up number and which accounts to hit first. You are not late, you are different. There is a difference.